the butter. See that? On top. Take a little bit, butter the bread in. Like that. Now watch. I want you to watch for the bread to get golden. I want you to watch for the cheese to melt.
Hello friends, welcome back to another show of Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing the Cuban sandwich from the movie Chef. A few videos ago I showed you how to do pulled pork. So we've got some of that leftover pulled pork and we're going to make this Cuban sandwich. We're going to take that pulled pork, we're going to put it in our non-stick pan and we're just going to cook that up. Get it nice and warm. Then we're going to add a few slices of your favorite ham and heat that up as well. And once that's nice and warm, we'll remove it and put out a little bit larger pan and we'll get that heated. And while that pan is heating, we've got our bread, which is French bread. And we're going to add some French's yellow, just plain yellow mustard to the bread. And while I'm doing that, please remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel. I really appreciate it. So we'll get that mustard spread out nice. Then we're going to add our warm ham. And then we'll add our warm pulled pork. And you can see on that pulled pork how it's got nice and crispy and caramelized. That's what you want. Alright, once we get the pork on top, we're going to add our pickles. I've got dill pickles here that I cut nice and thin. Layer those on. And lastly, provolone cheese. You can use provolone, you can use Swiss. I like the provolone, so that's what I'm going to go with. Now we've got some melted butter. We're going to brush the melted butter onto our bread. And we're going to set that down right in the pan. And I got a burger press to weight it down. Give it a nice press. And you're going to let that go about 3 minutes until that gets nice and crispy on the bottom. Then we'll butter the other side. And we're going to flip it over. Put a little bit of butter on the pan as well. And then we'll flip it and put the press on the other side. And get it nice and crispy on the other side and nice and flat. And that's pretty much it. That is a Cuban sandwich, just like the movie Chef made, although they had the panini press. If you don't have the panini press, just do what I do. If you don't have the burger weight, use another pot to push it down. And give it a nice slice and serve and enjoy the Cuban sandwich. Alright, thanks. Come back soon.